please, Lakshya, go.
Ma'am, my question was divide and check the answer by check
Method.
method formula. I can't understand that check formula method.
You don't know how to check the answer. Dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. It's very easy. Dividend equals to, your dividend is always the bigger number, you know.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
dividend you only will get when you multiply your divisor with your quotient. And plus remainder. If nothing is there in the remainder, you will not plus anything. If 0 is there, sit properly first of all. You are in a very good mood today, right? Sit properly and listen. Try to listen it and understand it. Check method formula is, either you understand the formula or learn the formula. That dividend is always when you multiply the divisor. Can you please explain and give me one example? What is the dividend and what is the divisor? First of all, Samriddhi, write in the chat box.
Okay,
Can you
ma'am.
please explain me? Please, everyone, stop messaging now. Stop messaging, Vivan. Yes, Amriti, please give me one example of division and please tell me what is the dividend, what is the divisor. Children, please be ready with your textbook. Be ready with the examples that you have to give in the repeated subtraction. Are you all ready? Samriti, please type fast.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 125.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Samriddhi, I have not still got your division sum. You can start with the small numbers also and tell me. 6 is dividend, 63 is divisor. And spellings are also wrong. Samriddhi, and 63 can't be a divisor. It is a big number. Divisor will be always small number. Your 63 can be dividend, not the divisor. And dividend spelling is D. I'll write in the chat box dividend, not dividend. It's dividend and divisor. These are the two spellings which you have to use. And for example, if I gave 8 divided by 2, in this 2 is the divisor and 8 is the dividend. Right? So when you get the quotient, what will be the quotient, Samriddhi? When you divide this, your quotient will be what? You know that in division, answer is the quotient. समृद्धि, आपको इतनी देर क्यों लग रही है सिंगल डिजिट नंबर को डिवाइड करने में? क्वेश्चन इज योर आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me what will be your question.
Our question will be 4.
4. You are observing the other children answer and then you are giving me the answer, right?
No, ma'am, I have divided in my mind.
Yeah, so your quotient is 4, right? Anything is the remainder?
No, ma'am.
So how you will check whether your answer is right or wrong? Now here you will apply this formula that dividend equals to quotient, divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So your divisor was 2. Multiply with your quotient was 4. Nothing is in the remainder. I'll plus nothing. So what will be the answer? 2 multiplied by 4 is?
2 multiplied by 8.
8. So your dividend is 8. Means your answer is right. आप एक sum करोगे, you will stay after the class with me, you will solve one sum and then we will discuss, because I can see your face, you still are in confused. Okay. Now, children, we are going to do today this repeated subtraction. As you all know that multiplication is a repeated addition. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
Repeated subtraction.
Multiplication is a repeated what, Rudra?
Ma'am, repeated addition.
So I'm telling that multiplication is a repeated addition and division is what repeated?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Yes.
Subtraction.
Now I'm going to show you one video. Listen to it. These are the questions on the division as a repeated subtraction. So 24 divided by 6. How we will do in the repeated subtraction? We keep on subtracting 6 from 24 until we reach 0. So first step is when we are subtracting 6 from 24, what will be the answer?
18.
18. And after 18 again we subtract, what will be the answer?
12.
12. After 12 again we subtract the same number, 6.
6.
And after 6 again we subtract
Zero.
6. Your answer is
Zero.
0.
So how many times we have done this
Four.
step?
4. 4 are
So what will
24.
be the quotient in this?
4. 6 4
The number
are
of
24.
times. Okay, let me explain. The number of times you do the step. Samriddhi, this is the new concept. Listen to it carefully. Okay, you sit alert in the class. And please mute your mics, everyone. Lakshya, mute your mic.
Switch off your mic.
So the number of times you keep on subtracting your divisor from your dividend until you reach 0. So the number of times you have keep on subtracting, that will be your quotient, right? For example, in your textbook it is given. Dhruv, page number 125. Can you all open this page number? Children, can you please open the page number 125?
Opened, ma'am. Okay,
Just
ma'am.
a minute.
Ma'am, page number.
125. On your page number 125, it's written, Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklaces for his 3 friends. He looked for sea shells the whole day. He collected 112 seashells by evening. Now he had made many different colorful and shiny shells. I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make the necklace for all my friends? How many friends? First of all, tell me how many total seashells he has collected from the sea.
112.
112. Yes. Now, in each necklace, when he is making one necklace, he is using 28 shells. How many shells he is using?
57.
Lakshya, where the 57 is written, can you please tell me, Lakshya? In your textbook, where the 57 is written?
I written already answer.
I'm not asking the answer. Okay. Mute yourself.
Last ma'am.
So he has used 28 shells for one necklace. And he has to make for the 3 friends. Will he able to make? So what he will do, out of 112, he will subtract 28. So that 84, the answer is, can you see in your textbook, it is already done. 112 minus 28, what will be the answer?
84. 84.
84. He has already made one necklace with 28. So now he is remaining with 84. Now keep on subtracting this till you reach 0 and tell me how many necklaces he can make.
4 necklaces he can make.
84 minus, again you do 28 minus, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it's 62. 57.
See, 84 minus 28. So what will be the answer? Please mute your mics. What is the answer? 84 subtract 28. 56 will be the answer, not the 57, children.
Ma'am, 56.
Yes. Now again from the 56, again you will do. These are the two necklaces he already made. Yes.
Ma'am,
Steps you have done how many steps? 112 minus 28. You have done one step and you got 84. Then 84. Yes, Rudra.
he can make 4 necklaces.
Rudra, I'm not asking the answer. Let me explain to each and every child. Okay. Now, this is your one step you have done. You got 84. Now, after 84, you again subtract 28 and you got the answer. What will be the answer after subtracting 28? Is 56. So, this was your second step.
56.
Again, you subtract 28 from 56. What you will get?
28.
28. So, this was your third step. And again, you will subtract 28 minus 28, which will be your fourth step.
0.
Got? Yeah. So, in repeated subtraction, we keep on subtracting the divisor from the dividend until we reach 0. This concept is clear to you all?
4 आएगा.
No, ma'am, I have a doubt.
4
Yes.
जैसे 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
but I don't think it's always like that. I think we have to subtract until we can't subtract one more time,
Yes.
or we.
Yeah, until we either we reach 0 or we can't subtract. Remainder also can come. Okay, Ayush. So now we have left with 84 shells. It's written here. Again, he took 28 and more shells for the second necklace. How many shells are left now? So you will write 84 subtract 28. You will write in the first blank 56. Then he took shells from the third necklace. So he was left with how many shells after the third? After third, how many shells are left?
28. 28.
Yes. How many necklace can Dhruv made from 112 shells? 4.
4 necklaces.
Yes. Are the shells enough for making necklace for all his friends?
Yes.
Yes. Why yes?
Because he
Because
wants
he
to.
has
But ma'am, Guna has to give me the answer.
Who, ma'am?
Ma'am, because he has to make 3 necklaces.
Yes, but now he is
And
making
he
how
made
many?
4.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
he have to make
4.
3 necklaces, but he is making 4.
Yeah, so it is enough for his friends?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
ma'am,
Yes.
someone is helping Guna from the backside.
It's okay, but Guna, you are understanding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next, go to the next question. Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashells. How many necklaces can be made by using 100 seashells? Please do this in your notebooks with the repeated subtraction and tell me the answer. Do this question number, which is on your page number 125. Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashells. Now, instead of 28, she is putting 17. And now, right now, see, She is having 100 seashells. So how many necklaces she can make? Please solve this in your notebook and write the answer in the chat box. Is there anything in the remainder? That also you have to write. Do it fast.
I didn't understand the concept.
Yes?
Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
Arya, as you know that division is a repeated subtraction. बार बार आप subtract करोगे same number को divisor को dividend में से तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. You will reach to the question, right? पर आपको ये ध्यान देना है, you have to pay attention how many times you are keep on subtracting till you reach 0 or less than remainder भी बच सकता है किसी किसी में, right?
Okay.
है ना? अब now if I say you have 100 chocolates, right? You have 100 chocolate. In each packet, you are packing 6 chocolates. In each packet, you are packing 6 chocolates. So how many packets you are making with this? कितने packets बनाओगी? एक 100 chocolates थे, 6 chocolates each packet पे डालें, right? Now you have to say how many packets you are making of these out of these 100 chocolates. कितने पैकेट बनाओगे? Can you tell me? आपको each packet बताना है how many packets you are making out of these 6. Yes.
Ma'am, we had to do 100 minus 17. This sum, no?
Yes. Arya.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, I can see Prisha has written something, but I want Arya has to give me answer. Arya, you have 100 chocolates. You are in each packet there are 6 chocolates. How many packets you are making?
Can we do like 100 minus 6?
Huh? What will be the answer?
Can we do like that or?
You can do in this way also. You right now you do with the subtracted way. एक step करती जाओ. 100 minus 6. What will be the answer?
And 4 but say.
I will see Viva Arprisha. Wait a minute. Arya, you ask the question and you not respond always. This is the problem I face.
No. Can I subject that?
You can subtract. Do with the subtract method only. Do it in the rough word. And tell me how many steps you have done after subtracting 6 each time. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, children, I will check your question also. And Prisha, I will check. Let me show you one video again, so that those students facing the difficulty, they can understand it.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
See, children, you can see here. This is the way we do the division by repeated subtraction. Keep on subtracting the divisor from the dividend till you reach 0, or you can have some remainder also in that case. And when you divide with the actual this way, you will get the quotient, dividend, divisor, and remainder is nothing is there. You can check your answer also by this formula which Samriddhi was asking how to check it. Now, divide 20 stars into 4 groups. How many stars are there in each group? Can you tell me? Divide these 20s. You have learned grouping also.
Ma'am, 5.
5 are 20.
Yes. And when you do it with the repeated subtraction, how many steps you are doing when you subtract 4 out 5 steps? So what will be your quotient?
Question will be 5 and remainder will be 0.
Yes. Divide 32 flowers into 8 groups.
Ma'am, ma'am, 4 will be question and 0 will be reminder.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you do with the repeated subtraction, how many steps you will do when you are subtracting? 4 steps. Now, have you all done this? Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashells. How many such necklaces can be made out of the 100 seashells? Tell me the answer. I can see only Prisha is showing me. What about the others? Prisha, let me pin you and see the answer. Prisha, what is your answer? Please write the topic here also. Repeated subtraction. Write today's date.
Ma'am, my remainder is 15 and my steps are 5.
Okay, let me check. 100 minus 17 you have done. First step. So what will be the answer in that case?
Ma'am, the answer will be 83.
Very good. Next, when you do the next step, what is the answer remaining?
66.
13 minus 7 is
66.
66. Okay, this is your second step. Again, when you do 66 minus 17, what will be the
49.
answer? Children,
49.
please do this in your notebook. I request everyone.
Ma'am, 49.
Only Prisha is doing step by step. I request everyone to solve it by repeated subtraction.
And we have to do in division or by repeating.
Repeated subtraction. I'm repeating again and again by repeated subtraction because we are learning all the methods of division. We have learned by grouping. We have learned by number line. This is also one method of repeated subtraction. In question, when it is asking specially that you have to do by repeated subtraction, you will do by repeated subtraction only, not by long division. You have to pay the attention on your question which is asked in your exams. Otherwise, when you are using it in your real life, you can apply any method. But when in your exams, it is specially given that which method you have to apply that method only. If it is on number line, apply number line. If it is on repeated subtraction, apply with the repeated subtraction. And if it is a long division method, apply long division method. Same in multiplication also. We have learned different multiplication methods, row and column, everything we have done. So if it is clearly given which method you have to do with that method only. But in your real life, you can solve it by any of the way you like. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
As we were doing the question, sorry, 66 minus 17. Just a minute, children.
49.
Wait a minute. Yes, so 66 minus 7 is
49.
49. Yes. So 6.
And then 49 minus 17, it will be 32.
49 minus 7 is 32. So this was your third step on 49. And then fourth step on 32. Again, subtract 7 from 32.
It will be 15. 15.
15. Just check. It will be 25. This was your fifth step.
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
I can see many of you are just sitting. When I will give you the questions based on the same topic, I am sure you will not do. Because I can see Fazan, Migdad, many of them are just sitting. Fazan, have you completed the question which I told you to complete? Fazan, I am asking from you. Please switch on your mic and speak to me. Fazan. Migdad.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing?
This one I completed by subtraction. Answer is 15.
Answer is
15.
15. And what is the remainder?
Sorry, ma'am, answer is
Yeah. Do
5.
it again.
5 and the remainder is 15.
Answer is 5 and the remainder is 15. Yes, Prisha, he is right.
What, ma'am? Answer is 5 and the remainder is 15.
Yes, 5 necklaces he can make. Remainder spelling is wrong. Remainder. I'm writing in the chat box. Children, along with these topics, you have to be thorough with your vocabulary also. Please learn the spellings also.
Because, ma'am, the fourth step will be 25. So 25 minus 17 will be 7.
25 minus 7 will be 7. Just check.
17 will be 7.
And then again you minus 7. Then you what will be the remaining?
0.
What Migdad has given me the answer. Quotient is equals to 5 and the remainder is Migdad?
15. He is wrong.
5. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. Just check
How?
again. Check again.
Ma'am, because 7 minus 17 is not possible.
17 minus 7 is possible. It is not 7 minus 17. It is 17 minus 7. Yes or no, children? Are you all doing or you all are sitting? Yugbaria.
Ma'am, I am
Doing this. Vihan, you have done? Who will tell me all the steps? Who will tell me all the steps one by one?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Vihan, please. And please, those who have not completed, they please start doing it.
Ma'am,
Yes,
first,
Vihan.
the first necklace, if, ma'am, the 100 minus 17 would be 83. Ma'am, then 83 minus 17 would be 83 minus 17. Ma'am, it would 66.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 66. And ma'am, 66 minus 17 would be 49. And then 49 minus 17 will be 32. Then 32 minus 17 will be 15.
Not. Yeah. Wait. 30. 49 minus 17.
No, ma'am.
Minus 17.
32 minus 17.
32 minus 17 will be?
Ma'am, it will be 15.
It will be 15. Yes, 15 minus 7 will be?
15 minus 7 will not be. It would be 17 only.
It will be 17 only. So what is the remainder?
15. The steps are 4. 5 is the first.
So how many steps you have done?
Ma'am, 5.
5 steps. And what is the remainder?
15. Ma'am, it
And
doesn't.
Migdad was also saying the same thing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. I also wrote the same thing. But ma'am, you
Yes.
are saying 7, so I was confused.
No. It was little confused. It was 17. So the question is, how many necklaces he can make out of the 100 seashells?
5.
5 necklaces. How many remaining seashells are with him?
15.
15 remaining. Yes. So this way you have to do the repeated subtraction. Go to the next question. Turn the page. Prisha will read the question. Prisha, please read the question. What is written on
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number B?
Yes, ma'am. One cartoon can hold 85 soap bars. Shelly wants to pack 338 soap bars. How many cartons does she need for packing all of them?
Now tell me who will explain me? Karnav, can you please explain me how we have to solve this question number B? Karnav?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please solve question number B? How we have to do this? One carton can hold 85 soap bars in one carton.
Yes.
Shelly wants to pack 338 soap bars. How many cartons does she made for packing all of them?
10, 11, 12, 13.
Ma'am, division.
Division we will do. Can you please solve this by repeated subtraction method? And please start doing. Everyone start solving this in your notebooks and tell me the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the steps.
Yes, all the steps. 338 subtract 85. And tell me what is the answer.
253. It will be then the first step.
First step, you get 253. I want everyone has to do. I will ask next step from other child. Ashvi. Now you have 253, Ashvi. Ashvi. Ashvi, why are you not listening to me?
Yes,
You are there, I can, yes. Ashvi, the first step she has solved and she got the answer 253. Now, what will be the second step?
ma'am. 253 minus 85.
Minus 85. What is the answer?
1 minute, ma'am.
Faster, children. Please write in the chat box if you all know the answer.
Ma'am, the second step.
Yes. Please write in the chat box if you know the second step. Riddhi, if you know the second step, write in the chat box. After subtracting 85 from 253, what will be the answer? Prisha, you are wrong. It's 160. Yes?
Ma'am, you said 85 minus 253. Ma'am, it should be 253.
Yes. 85, you have to subtract it from the 253.
It is 168.
168, right. Go to the next step. Please write the answer in the chat box. Step by step, write the answer in the chat box. Lakshya, please do fast. Sia Patel, Ayush, Yash, please subtract and tell me. Out of now 168, again you have to subtract 85.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes,
Ma'am, I am stuck on the Kannu one and I have a question in it.
you stuck where?
Kannu first.
Okay, now tell me what is the question.
Ma'am, my question is I have done the sum and the last is coming 15. But when I count, it's only 4.
Yeah, your steps are 4. So maybe you have done somewhere wrong.
Ma'am, it's like 100 minus 17, 83. 83 minus 17, 66. 66 minus 17, 49. 49 minus 17, 32. 32 minus 15.
32 minus 17, 15. How many steps?
Ma'am,
5. Okay, got it.
Okay. Go to the next. Those who are doing 83. You all have reached to 83. Now, can we subtract 85 from 83?
No, ma'am.
So, how many steps we have done now?
4.
4.
How many steps? Can you all please check?
4.
Please check again.
Ma'am, I know the second.
3.
How many steps we have done when we were subtracting this?
3.
3.
3.
Then how much is the remainder?
Ma'am, I have written in the chat box.
Yes, 3 steps we have done. So in this quotient is 3 and the remainder is 83. You got this? So how many packets you can pack? How many cartons does she need for packing all of them? She needs how many cartons?
3. 3,
3
ma'am.
cartons. Next, go to the next C1. Manpreet wants 1500 sacks. Sacks, you all know what is SACKS? क्या होता है SACKS? Sacks.
Ma'am, snacks means snacks means a thing that we can eat.
No, no, it is not snacks. You please read the word carefully.
Snacks, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it means it is a thing that we can put inside like onions or potatoes, etc.
Rice, onions, potato, बोरी जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में. So
Yes.
these are called बोरी. You all have seen rice जिसमें आते हैं packing में.
Yes, ma'am.
That is called sacks. So rice, potato जिस बोरी के अंदर आते हैं, cement and all this. So that is called sacks. So Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250 sacks at a time. How many trips will the truck make?
Ma'am, Vihan can say
Yes, Vihan.
the total chips would be 6. And the first step is that first step's answer would be 1250. Second step's answer would be 1000. And then the third step answer would be 750. Then the fourth step
50 or 20?
50-50.
the fifth step would be 500 multiplied minus
250.
250, and the sixth step would be 0.
Yes. So how many trips will he make?
There will be 6.
6 trips. 6 trips. So you children, you have to complete all the word problems on the repeated subtraction which we have discussed here today. Right? Along with this classwork, I am going to send you the worksheet. Ashvi, please mute yourself. Along with the textbook questions, I will send you one worksheet based on the same word problems, and you have to solve it with the repeated subtraction, not with any other method, because clearly I will write on that, do it by the repeated subtraction, because we all know that division is a repeated subtraction, right? बार बार जब आप subtract करोगे, you will able to get the answer, the same divisor when you subtract. करना सिर्फ properly. So thank you children for today's class.